let's put together Sri Lanka's famous spiced jaggery pudding, Watalappam. First, let's chop up the jaggery. Add some water. Add vanilla. Then cardamom, cinnamon and nutmeg for that perfect trio of spices. Next, the mixture gets taken to the stove. 2 tablespoons of brown sugar will bring out the perfect level of sweetness. Now let's leave that to cool and get 6 eggs in a bowl that we need to whisk. Once the mixture has cooled, let's strain it in. Now let's add 200 ml of coconut milk and 200 ml of condensed milk. If you're steaming, steam for 50 minutes. Now for that classic Sri Lankan debate.
How would you like it, baked or steamed?
And if you choose to put it in the oven, it goes in for 30 minutes.
Let me know in the comments.
Click here to check out another classic Sri Lankan home-cooked recipe.